Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of water management with a focus on one of the best solutions for your water trough needs.
Introducing the float valve, a marvel of engineering designed to revolutionize how you manage water levels in your tanks, pools, and livestock troughs. This isn't just any float valve. It's the best water trough float available in the market. What sets this float valve apart is its fully automatic water level control design. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to effortless water management. When the water level drops, the floating ball triggers the valve to open, utilizing water pressure to refill the trough. And when the level rises, it automatically shuts off, saving you time and effort.
But that's not all. This valve is incredibly versatile, fitting both 1/2 and 3/4 water pipes with ease. Whether you need upper or side water intake, this valve has you covered.
Plus, its durable 304 stainless steel construction ensures longevity and safety for your water supply. Installation is a breeze, and maintenance is minimal. Its compact size means it won't take up valuable space, and its enhanced water output surpasses traditional float valves. With a built-in filter to prevent debris from clogging the mechanism, you can trust this valve to keep your water flowing smoothly. From water towers to livestock tanks, pools to solar water tanks, the float valve is your go-to solution for water level control. And with its ability to function without electricity and handle temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, it's truly a versatile performer. So there you have it, folks.
The float valve, the best water trough float on the market. Make water management a breeze with this reliable, efficient solution.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy watering!